And this is my first time ever getting like a full wig. Although this is like a what kind of wig do you call this? I don't know, girl, but yeah, it doesn't have the lace all around. It's just a little piece of lace, and I like that because as a beginner, I won't want anything more than the lace that's on this wig right now. I'm just showing you how it's made. And honestly, I think it's a very good, like it's made good. That's what I think. I'm not exactly sure. But first, before I put this on my head, we gotta give it a bath. Actually, I give it 3 baths and a conditioner. Okay, and because yeah, this was dirty. It was dirty. It did not have a smell, but it was dirty. Like, so I gave her 3 baths. After that, this is what I found. Well, this is what came out of the hair. And then I put it on my little tripod with a fan on it to dry. The hair was actually pretty soft. So I tried doing this before and I used glue, so that's why you see all the white stuff on there. But I just cleaned that off with some rubbing alcohol, and I just cut off the extra lace that was on there that I didn't cut off recently. Right now, listen, your girl is gonna put some foundation on there. This is not my foundation, it's a little bit too dark for me, but it's hair, so we're gonna use it. I put some also on the wig itself just so that it could blend a little bit. It did not come out exactly like, you know, how it's supposed to, but for my first time, you can't tell me nothing, okay? Oh, look at my face. Ah! I was shocked. I was surprised, and I was just like, "Yeah, bitch, you doing it, okay?" Okay, so the free spray that I got is from the Aussie Moist. They have a free spray. I saw it at the dollar store, and I'm like, maybe this will work just as the other free spray that's in the yellow tin, whatever. So I used that. To my surprise, it wasn't that bad. I mean, you know, it was good. It was good. It was good. Just gonna use the tip of my comb just to put some free spray underneath the lace and just kind of stick that down, melt it down, whatever down. Honestly, right here, I was trying to get that hump, like all the other girls do, but y'all, it's my first time. Okay, so give me a break. It'll happen. It'll come to me. Next time, I will try doing a cause you see my wig cap is all the way back there. I would try and do the what do you call this method? You know what I'm talking about, yeah, girl, that one. Next time, I'll try and do that. Listen, I was so excited because who would have thought this would have come out decent? Not me. But okay, we're digging it. We're digging it. We're digging it. About to lay this boy flat. We'll try to get this boy flat. And yeah, baby. Okay, so here's one thing about me. I cannot, for the life of me, use the flat iron when the wig is on my head. Like for me to flat iron and curl this thing, I need for this wig to be off my head, sitting on something, because other than that, it's just gonna take me forever to get this part done. And it actually took me about 30-45 minutes just to curl this thing. Okay, because I'm not good like that, you know. We're trying. We'll get there someday. We'll get there. So I had to come back and just admire. This wig is soft. There was some shedding as I was styling, but this wig is soft and it's so nice. It wasn't tight or anything. I could have put it tighter, I could have put it looser, but yeah, I like this. Look at your girl. Okay, she fine, fine. She fine. Okay, Jesus. I could have used some more free spray here on the side there, but yeah, as you can see, it's good. I love it. I like it, and I was feeling myself as always. Anytime I get my hair done, I'm feeling myself. Okay, okay, thank you. Bye.